are just...
Everyone, let's get your eyes and ears on. Don't approach yet, but let's get your eyes and ears on. Wait for the final word to go.
They shoot it. Yeah.
Get the belts ready, get the mags ready, get the eyes and ears on. Fireline security, just make sure everyone has their eyes and ears on. Same routine as before. When the lights go out, it's okay to shoot. When the lights go out.
I guess I should probably put these on.
Yeah. The minigun's ready to go. Chambered and everything.
Really?
No.
Yeah, I got his button at home.
Including the cup.
Turn them out.
Shooters and spectators, once this gets going, it'll be a quick run, and then we're going to have another run. That's according to the downrange crew, so this will be a quick one. Then the finale. Okay, shooters, we don't need you up there yet. Just get them in your hand. We don't need you up there yet in the line.
Mine would make theirs disappear. God's out this sun. Quite.
You don't like the job, do you? Y'all.
We're doing this since 96.
They've been time for 5 years ago. That would be...
No.
How many pounds of lead out there? How much lead?
Okay, shooters, we got the word. Go ahead, approach the line. Everyone with their eyes and ears on. I want you to safely lock and load your weapons. Safely lock and load your weapons. Remember, the flares are not your targets. The glow sticks are. Safety, 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 shooters. Exciting time, a lot going on, a lot around you. Make sure the weapons are clear, show clear when you take them off this line. Fire line security, show me green boards when everyone in your area is ready. Light up them boards with green when everyone in your area is ready. Everyone just get locked and loaded. Waiting for everybody. I need all green boards.